KZN Tonight podcast sidle simnandi into edlekayo abafana bayilungele abafana bangakhulumi kabi ngezinto ezisemhlabeni you know sine reputation embi kodwa Mavuso
no mina aksa khona izinto ezingazangithusi mina
yeah
you know
indaba because abanye abantu babecabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe we are pushing any agenda. We're not pushing any agenda, but we're pushing agenda yase KZN, which means for abantu base KZN they need to know what's happening and ama views wabo sikwazi uthathini or sometimes give them direction le abaso befana ukuthi bayithathe. But hayi ukuthi thina mhlawumbe khona umuntu esinenkinga uyazi ngendlela esingenankinga ngayo ngisho noma Gugu Simelani sikam interviewer la ngendlela ngiskenankinga ngayo that's who we are just right people abafana abazilungele
yeah but well mina I always say so many people they misunderstand me
yeah
abanye they even go to the extent of hating me unnecessarily so
yeah
but I don't care much you know
yeah
I always say if you hate me
yeah
akukho ku special ngawe uyaqala ngawe just join the queue bakhona nabanye abangizonda futhi mhlawumbe abangizonda kakhulu kudlula wena
yes
yeah so nje hayi indaba ukuthi wena bese so
don't you special ukuthi uyakuzonda
special
so kumele ngikunake ngoba uyakuzonda I need to know ukuthi kwenzakalani ku
mina mangivuka ekseni imission yami iba yi1
yeah
ukuphakela abantu base KZN na South Africa inda
okay
yeah lokho kunye nokunye nje kusese ukwenza nje
yeah akukuthinti na kanjani
that's why if you go to my social media platforms you'll always get something new at least every 20 minutes that's my mission
yeah
and it's mission accomplished ngifuna mina mase ngifile ukuthi here lift a man who did his work and he was very diligent
uyazi Mavuso bengathi ngibheka enye there was another commission that I saw online and I quickly thought about what we've been talking about indaba yamaVaterkan so these municipalities paying 600,000 per month for Vaterkan A1
yeah
and they don't see a need to procure iVaterkan ukuthi bebe nawo awabo azokwazi so this is corruption at its best.
Yeah, it's legitimate corruption because what they do, they deviate from normal procurement policies.
Yeah.
And even if AGF, if the paperwork is there, so it's corruption that has been made legitimate.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke phela it's the type of the leaders that we have chosen to.
Yeah. Angikuzongikhulumela phansi.
Oh, sorry, man. Voice ayikho right. My apologies.
Okay.
Yeah. Ilaba holesa abakhetha njalo ukuthi basiphathe so. But in politics you get who you elect or you decide if you decide not to go and vote.
Yeah.
Ufele uthole uzophathwa igidangoma ngoba likhethwa amanye amagidangoma.
That's a decision not to vote.
Yeah.
We're actually saying everything is right.
Yeah, we're actually saying I'm leaving everything to
him.
Kulaba abane low capacity yokucabanga.
Ideep kakhulu lento echaza Mavuso ekuthenini thina abantu kwesinye isikhathi sinesifake enkingeni.
Yeah.
Kodwa mase sibe sokhala ngenkinga qala.
Mina nje just to make an example, yeah. I'm not eligible to vote. I'm sure you know. But I always tell my family make vote ukuthi my wife and nalaba abanye aba-eligible ukuthi guys ngicela nambe no vote and vote kanje ngibachazela ukuthi why we should vote in this way. Because if they decide ukuhlala endlini babuka iTV babuka uzalo,
yeah,
then you'll end up having a counselor elivele linithuke noma manilibuza amanzi lithi nala lazi kwenzakala. So I always tell them ukuthi kule wadi lena this is what I want, please go and vote in this way.
I see. That's very good because kubhlungu lento enziwa abantu ukuthi sithole sinama leaders angekho emthethweni.
Yeah, vele holo inkabe yabona nje
lokushini nje isiyikhansela.
Yeah, lokushini nje vele siyafika nje insizwa yazi wethi ingabe noma intshontshe imoto isiyikhansela. Yeah, noma nje ubathele indoda lena.
Yeah. And sibona almost every day leyo nto leyo ama councillors ngiyasebenza nomasipala abahlukahlukene ubuka ama councillors ubona ukuthi abantu bayiphosa bona eweni
capacity ayikhona
Yeah,
kwasho ugwede mandasha
asho ugwedwa wathi i-capacity ayikho ama-councillors amaningi i-capacity ayikho ingakho abantu abaningi besazohlala endaweni enganakiwe ingakho indaweni eningi kusazoqedwa amanzi ngamabomu kuze kusebenzele ama-water tanker linked to abangani bawo ingakho futhi endaweni eziningi kusazokhala ukuthi udoti awuxoxiwe kulahlwa noma yikuphi because I would like to put myself as well. We like to act like as if asiyiboni into wrong, whereas into wrong iphambi kwethu. And we have made corruption yaba normal ngalendlela ukuthi even nengane zethu zokhula intshontshe because into enormal ngalendlela exakile.
In fact, it's not even normal. We've made the corruption fashionable.
Yes.
Bokubuka nje emalokishini ikakhulu endaweni zethu nabantu abamnyama.
Yeah.
Bokubuka le gang corrupt isisele ihlonjwa kanjani.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
But we're legitimate 8 to 5 job.
Be a teacher, be a nurse, be a police. Uthatha njengenyoni.
Ya uzabe nesquad samagita ngomuntu corrupt abamculayo uthi wathi into bani umthintelana usihlalo
thinta usihlalo.
Yeah, anyway asingene udabeni namhla
Okay.
ku busy namhla le usenzo umqhunju lapha kwe-edhoc committee.
Yeah.
So safuna ukuphuma siphinde solalela yena.
Well, abantu abaningi bathi umchunu uqale kahle. Even though bayafisa ukuthi kuvele okuningi babona ngazi ukuthi is handling imandla nga commission very well and they feel ukuthi he's well prepared unlike General Sibia.
Sibia was a disaster. Sibia was a disaster.
Yo
engafanele lo yamdaye lapha akazi si bezosizwa yena afike njengayi well ke South Africa is a plural society whereby ama opinions ethu ayohleze ehlukana.
Yeah.
Mina nje bengamnika 7 out of 10 performance yakhe yayizolo
first day. Yes.
Yeah. Ezinye izinto bekwazi ukuyichaza.
Okay.
Kodwa ezinye izinto beyigaxelisa yena.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Kodwa ke he has not won the battle. Yabona lento yo won no one. Ingane zethu lezi ngathi ngithi won yathi ingane lapha endlini. No, it's not won.
They correct hiding ngane manje.
Yeah, no, it's not won, it's won. Yeah. So now sizobuka i-questioning ngoba that's where sizobona khona ukuthi wahenglisha kanjani ama issues. Yiko nje bengithi asiqedela ngoba ngifuna ukubuka mase bemquestion athi uzophendula thini.
Okay.
Yeah, but yena okwamanje ku first day no cha.
Wenze kahle.
Uyihenglishile considering ukuthi the world is up against him. And then khona enye into engiyinoticeile nje more especially on social media ukuthi abantu they hate no, let's not go there.
No, they hate the ANC.
They I mean,
yeah,
because ngibuka ukuthi nje usenzo mchunu bephendula kahle lapho. But abantu bebengafuna ukumuzwa nje ukuthi
they already concluded.
Yeah, they've already concluded this one.
Uthi isigebengu.
Yeah.
Kumele siboshwe.
I think ANC kusafanele kusebenze lo ukuthi nje ngeke ngibone nje nalento ukuthi ubhala istory uthi kuboshwa umuntu uboshwa i-corruption. Ndawona ukuthi awuthi mhlaba ubhalile nothi lo muntu oboshwa yini phela kuthiwa ANC.
The image of the corruption in South Africa right now inobuso be-ANC.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, that's something that well, we're not saying everyone in the ANC is corrupt.
Yeah, there are good people there.
But there are good people in the ANC. But the image now, kufana lento nokuthi nje umuntu abantu abamnyama bakha. Yabo. If ukuthi kuqekezwe, sometimes in your mind akucabanga ukuthi ngaba umlungu noma India. You always think ishabotaki abangenela igebengu. So the image of corruption eNingizimu Afrika njengamanje iwukhongolwaza.
Yeah, so ihenglishe kahle kodwa ke ake sibuke ukuthi uzohenglisha kanjani ama questions ngoba the questioning will be tough.
Yeah.
You have Julius Malema there from the EFF. He's going to be
he's doing very well with Julius.
Yeah.
Political maturity is at the highest level.
In fact, my emotions are this time around. And then you also have that rising star from the MK party.
Skhosana.
No.
Okay.
Nomvalo.
Oh yes.
But Gefele advantage ya Nomvalo. Remember that he's a lawyer by profession.
I see.
Yeah. Scotty LLP. I think he's from UKZN. Usel kezile igama labo ngoba you remember ukuthi nomkhwana zwaba question.
Yes.
Yeah, so he's doing well. And then there's uxola ngola lo ANC is quite good. Asazi ke uzowenza njani kulento kasenzo umchulu ngoba because he corporate la.
Umbutho.
Yeah, umbutho they have to close ranks.
We have Mtuli as well there.
Yeah, we have Mthimsentuli. Well, Mthimsentuli fele has always been brilliant.
Yeah.
That's why nje there is always that thing ehlezi ibuzwa manje ukuthi kazi kwenzalani nje sikwaZulu Natal ama branches akhona abona ethi ngcono replace uMthimsentuli ngobheka imdolo yabo akusho mina you know it. Yeah so uMthimsentuli is an intellectual nje yeah.
What are you saying about ubheka imdolo if you're saying
no
intellectual?
No, I'm ngikhuluma uMthimsentuli la ukuthi uMthimsentuli is an intellectual.
And then Mtolo?
Oh, and then lapha committee and then lapha committee. Yeah, so it's Nomthimsentuli is doing well.
I like how you dive.
Yeah.
The question ngibuza kaMtolo. But it's fine.
Yeah, and then uKhusela I think naye she's brilliant but ushaya lento ukuthi sizokhumbula ama scandals e corruption amlandelayo. So whatsoever athi uzama ukuyenza abantu bafela say no not you
because we asikhohliwe about what happened nge-COVID
ledla consulting in her late husband.
So I think
she's quite good but the stigma
for me I think uKhuselo Diko bekumele as excuse from this.
She now calls herself Sangona. I think she has reverted to a maiden surname.
Oh okay.
Yeah, because at some point she was Kawe and Diko, and then I think she has reverted to Sangona, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Yeah. So those are the brilliant guys, and then basically, I think Bandwe Action SA, I forget them.
Okay.
The name, and then they are quite good. So the bazom twalsanzi mkhunla wala.
Proper team.
Yeah.
Proper team.
Bazom twalsanzi mkhunla wala. So sizobona lapho ukuthi uhangilisha njani ama questions. Asithembe ngafane noSibiya was a disaster man.
There are so many questions now ngosbiya after that session because abanye ama questions ayibuza ukuthi how did he rise to this position if eklaza kangaka makuthiwa bambuza imibuzo and okunye ukuthi ubenza njani ma interviews and khona lento ade khala ukuthi umkhwanazi wamblock.
Yeah,
you know, after listening to him talking you kind of realize ukuthi kwamina
Mkhwanazi was right.
He was right without Mkhwanazi telling us who was wrong and everything, and he was rushing into this committee, and I'm asking myself ukuthi ubengayiboni ukuthi lento afuna ukuyenza ayingangayi.
No, angithi abantu abanjengoSibiya they don't have the capacity to see those things. Yeah, so kuyena it was like no, I'm going there to defend myself. Forgetting ukuthi there will be questions that will be posed to him
or by your friends.
Yeah, not by friends, and then bese sibukana makulama answers akho muwaphendula. Yabo nje ihla elikhulu le ukuthi not now immediately doesn't mean now. No. Now abantu bamlandela ke Oxford explanation.
Exactly.
Yeah. But ke le nto leya eka Sibiya isikhombisa the rot that is with SAPS and the law enforcement system. Ngoba makuthi uSibiya uyarise abangaka abanye uSibiya ke SAPS.
Exactly.
Because uSibiya at needs ukuthi uyabaza abanye abantu and these people are criminals. Can't have a policeman associating himself with a criminal.
Well, endaweni eziningi esemalokishini noma
amaphoyisa phela abangana ama
uyaziwa ukuthi igebengu eziningi zinabo ubudlelana namaphoyisa.
In fact igebengu eziningi part of station commander.
Exactly.
Because you remember ukuthi emaphoyiseni noma nje kuma security forces kunalendo yokuthi you obey the command now and then you ask questions later. Uyakhumula uXolani Khumalo lo also action essay we-mayoral candidate asekuruleni ukuthi at some point they were rating i-drug dentists and then there was an instruction ukuthi kulaba bebe-rate nabo ukuthi nifuna lapho sukana.
Yeah.
And then those guys couldn't question it because your boss is given an instruction.
Yes.
So indaba kaSibiya nje shayisa amahloni
ivula
izweli phandle kahle
yeah, ivula a can of worms ekuthenini let's look at Usbiya. Let's take Usbiya away from this matter and look at the structures within the police forces. Ukuthi baningi abantu bekhala ukuthi sawa report amacala aphelela emoyeni. Umuntu uya rape namhlanje kusasa is walking free as a threat.
I think umkhwanazi wayichaza kahle lento. Sorry to interject. Yakhumbula ukuthi umkhwanazi wathi amanye amaphoyisa corrupt how they collapse ama cases. mase kuyiwa ku prosecution angithi they investigate and then they get the entire evidence and then they present it to NPA bese yo present inkantolo. So what these corrupt officers do bafike baye nje kule docket bakhiphe nje one piece of evidence that is crucial to secure conviction. I'm sure we know ukuthi uMatlala unamacala over 80 since 2021. Amanye awaye baba withdraw so yakubona ukuthi lamaphoyisa babefike nje badonse
important paper.
Piece of information and then so that they don't secure conviction. For instance nje kwamanye ama cases othola sebaya withdraw uthola ukuthi information they obtain it illegally. Like you can't back my phone ngaphandle kwesizathu. Now if you want to back my phone kufanele uye ejudgini ufike ulichazela ukuthi sifuna uintercept ama calls amavuzo because we believe that he's involved in crime. You'll convince ujudge ukuthi naku nanake sisanako okwamanje. But sisafuna ukudika. Now what these guys do bafele nje because they have the equipment bafele but decide to intercept phone yakho bathole information and then iphele kanjalo. So now you can't use that information in court. So izinto ezenze usibiya nje uyasikhombisa ukuthi konakele kanganani ke SAPSN kufanele umningi umsebenzi kufanele wenziwe.
Mningi kakhulu.
You remember nje the incident eya reportwa umkhwanazi ukuthi kukhona icontainer eyangena nama drugs la ehamba yaseThekwini. Yahamba ngo-N3 all the way to City Deep la kufikela khona ama container. And then bahamba amaphoyisa amanye ay intercepta lo container. But sebe interceptile kwafika abanye bathi bafuna ukuyithatha bona bayize. So uyabona these police officers they working for the drug dealers base bayisa uyabona. Kwaze kwaliwa and those two police officers were brave to stand up. Up to now they are in hiding because those drug dealers are going to kill them. Now you ask yourself kwanga actually against the drug dealer and the other police officers who were doing that because you could see what those police officers babe payroll ama drug dealers. So it's the rot that is out there and we see it every day when some they get arrested. It reminds me of ama incident ayenzeka nje nge-lockdown othola ukuthi amaphoyisa ahambe bezwethi kwashanda ukudayisa utshwala abantu bawo-raid khona. Babefika lapha ba-raid the serious stuff bayithatha bayibecelene and then bafe ba-declare the lighter stuff. But kabanye abantu njengale case la isithi namekhumbula la family yayithenga utshwala izwenzela ingane ayiphathi for graduate. And then one corrupt officer head ukuthi kunotshwala lapha ba-raid babuthatha lo tshwala and then the family yathi no it's fine you can take it unibeke thina lo tshwala besingabudayisi asikazi sibsebenzi besibekele phathi sizobeka up until kudlula lockdown and then kube what these corrupt officers did babuthatha bonke lo tshwala
babuphuza
no babudayisa but declare nje izinto ezifew la wasuka le family yala emaphoyiseni athi no thina nabo utshwala besinapho and besingaphuzi besingama sekucheckwa lapha ku inventory comsathi bewe in fakwe nje izinto ezifew. So this family was able to go to their invoice yaka macro to say
nampo utshwala
ukuthi lo tshwala lobusabuthenga usuku oluthile nasi slip sakhona nayo imali esabuthenga ngakho so nabo utshwala esasinabo thina buphi an investigation was launched and it became clear ukuthi these guys they sold lo butshwala. So ngibekisela nje ngezinto ezincane lezi zinto ezinjengalezo.
But now because angikholwa ukuthi iwona wonke amaphoyisa
no they are very good police officers
akhohlakela but how do they get protection ekuthenini if they see this corruption happening within this police station because obviously liyabopha elinye iphoyisa lenza yonke into the next thing sigebengu sesiphumile kuthiwa no case muvele kusibanibani kanjani because I'm thinking that's how the modus operandi yakhona works then benza njani ke bona ukuze bekwazi ukuthi bengaphathwa isela because maphathwa isela ayikho into engayenza.
You can't do anything. Do you know ukuthi abantu aba corrupt and incompetent they rise ngakubekisela emaphoyiseni sesibona newsroom nje someone who can't construct a comprehensive sentence ngiyambona lo muntu so edit so abantu aba incompetent and corrupt they also rise so iqala lapho lenkinga ukuthi angithi kwesinye isikhathi kuye kube nalenda ama labor laws sorry uthola ukuthi abafundi lo muntu kumxosha. So akakwazi ngabe kusenyuzroom akakwazi ukubhala so but nomthetho ngemvumeleni imqosho
ngizosho nemqashe
so abantu abazowenza ilokhu njalo umsebenzi omningi ama-subeditors so bampromote now nina nithi nimsusa ngalana ngoba uhlolwa umsebenzi kanti senemnika ama-powers azosebenzisa ukufrustrate laba abanye lapha ezweni so nasemaphoyiseni kunjani uthola ukuthi kunephoyisa nje othola ukuthi liyafila lapha bese mhlawumbe sekuthiwa alibe baninika umsebenzi othile kanti sebanika ipower so that's how these corrupt officers survive excuse me the reality is 70% of amaphoyisa ake-SAPS within the ranks they are very good they do umsebenzi wabo they live within their own means and then kunale 30% lene corrupt lene corrupt ngempela nje ngeke kubekisele nje amasho nje khona indawo obona ukuthi kudayiswa ama-drugs but amaphoyisa everyone knows because akuvulwa abathenga abafela ngewindi akufela imuntu amaphoyisa knows it but they are not dealing with those issues so now sokuthi uyabuka-ke emalokishini uthola the rot iqala lapha phezulu
kuthiwa ufish washo uMacingwane ukuthi ufish uqala ukubola ekhanda
bese kwehlela emzimbeni kuphelile
so ayisekho into so mase kubola ekhanda sesekuphela kakhulu
and
then yonke lento leyenzakalayo about uSibiya umchunu the SAPS corruption that is happening imbekaphi uKhongolose noma imbekaphi uRamaphosa because abanye abantu bathi it looks as if wonke umuntu uzogcina vele lapha kuMahlanga Commission.
I think the ANC brand has already been tainted lokhu ke sekwenza izinto zabawesa uyabona nje ubobuka lezi zinto zika Brown Mohoti no Rafati no Kate Matlala uyabona ukuthi ama conference afinance kanjani ama delegates afinance kanjani I'm sure akhumbula ukuthi ngo2017 eNazareth kunama delegates ayefinance ama big companies bebelele ema hotel nje
abanye bebelele lapha there's a hotel next to my place exactly. I remember there were guys from KZN about Jetas Bukela and I did popped in as well ukuhlala nabo kancane
just to see ukuthi kwenzala kwenziwani now so kuyabalimaza lokho ukhumbula ukuthi mawubheka ilist yabantu ekumele babe summoned kule commission in the main ama ANC members and to a lesser extent it will be former ANC members abasebek MK manje akhumbula ukuthi bazothinda isikhathi kaZuma but nje le commission lena ilimaza kakhulu ANC yamlimaza ke noRamaphosa ngoba uyabona sekufele nothi unama ID awu3 yabona and that is against the law you are not allowed to have 3 IDs now umbuzo uzothi ubewenza lama ID awu3 why would you have 3 IDs so kuyamlimaza naye kulimaza ne-ANC next year siyama local government elections people won't forget lama revelations la so asazi ukuthi bazowenza njani mhlawumbe banawo uplan B noma i-fight back plan to save igama labo but bona bayalimala again I think ama-political ambitions kamchunu ukuba president they are over kenzi nje ukuthi ama-supporters akhe they still think that he stands a chance no there's absolutely no way the last time
was it a good move though for him or his backers to put him as a face of potential president of the ANC?
No, it wasn't a good move. It wasn't a good move at all. They should have looked for someone or senior in KZN if they wanted to fill the candidate from KwaZulu-Natal, but not Jomkhulu. Akana futhi support kangaka. Akasana i-support la acabanga ukuthi unayo yona KwaZulu-Natal.
Yes.
I-power ya shift. I-power ya shift ngoba remember that noZweli Mkhize wakwa contest on the basis ejena ukuthi usane power ngo2017 only to find ukuthi no shifting. So I think ama ambitions akho ba president
umchunu
aphelile manje sangaphusha ngoba phela ama politicians abanye abantu they don't think like me and you
no umchunu mina ngibona ukuthi njengamanje akabe elungisela i-career yakhe ukuthi lapha ayoyilusela imbuzi noma inkomo makuthi wayithenga ekhaya because I don't see him coming back from these scandals.
Yazi ukuthi ama politicians akanjani wena ungayibuka kanjalo uthi wena umkhulu akahambe nje alungisele kolusimbu. Ama politicians abanye abantu bacabanga ngendlela. Angaya lana bafe bambuyishe manje inzini yambuza ukuthi ucabangani ngale buying. Afuthi hayi labantu bengijabulela laba. That's how politicians are. Yeah, so it's your own view nje ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi he must venture into farming.
Yeah.
Yeah, mawungathi ukhuluma naye yena nje ukuthi no.
He's still in.
Yeah, athi ubonile abantu ku social media. Yeah.
And nasi story as well about Hungani Mayumela, no President Ramaphosa as well. And if you look at the structure, we look at first when someone to Mshanaga Spanban, you think with Mlapo Zalo Tatuabebo, and there's chances, stronger chances that you know Mshanaga Bako Musuyabas. But now, when you think about it, and Uguti Hungani comes from the ex-wife side of things, and Uzalwe after Sebetlugane, 40 something years ago, because he's like 80s.
Yeah.
I'm starting to actually believe it's Historis Ramaphosa. There are chances that maybe they've met, but they're not close.
Yeah, I think right. What in the figure mshaya ile explanation yakhe ayinike ayikiphe parliament.
Yeah.
It's quite unbelievable. Uthi I'm working. And then uyangibingelela blah blah blah. Now you know he security president, no deputy president, no minister. You don't just pop in and greet a person. To no ngifike ngamesangweni no you can't as a president. It's either you are in or out. So there is a possibility amazi uhangwan, but indlela ayichaze ngayo iyona imdayisayo. You remember ukuthi uPresident Ramaphosa has a history of lying in public and even in parliament. You remember he once lied about a donation to Bosas.
Yes.
And then he came back later or issued his statement. I mean, he wanted to speak to correct himself. So ile in the mshaya we know he has a history of not telling the truth.
Yeah.
That's not what he's lying. He's not telling the truth.
And I think President Aqamba Manga City unako kukhuluma ongeyikho. Yeah, sinasho ukuthi
umlanje ethi wathi maye ngathola ukuthi uAndile was involved in corruption when ozomisa emaphoyiseni akazana. Andile's son. Exactly. Yeah.
And I was gonna believe the story that maybe Ati with the son yakhe no Hangani bayazana. So you have met him through the son. Evakashele ukazini wakhe. That was gonna make a very interesting story.
No. You know the problem with lying is that you can't defend a man. Someone wangibuze nje ukuthi Mavuso wakwaye hostel angiqamba amanzi angaze ngiye. Bese kusuka abantu balapha ngaseBhekuzulu hall but Mavuso uhlezelana nje ngeweekend ofashela insizwa semtubatuba naseshowe.
Exactly.
Bese uthini? Yeah, so that's the challenge with lying. You can't defend it.
But kodwa ke ngicabanga abantu kumele beyiqonda ukuthi uhangwani noduduzana kufana. Because they were starting to compare why ngasho ukuthi umshana kaRamaphosa whereas kwakuthiwa baba kaDuduzane and everything. Those two cases.
No, we can't awafani. And enye into ekufanele sikhumbule leyo ukuthi we must not fall for the trap ya whataboutism. Leyo ukuthi ubamba umntentshontsha bese athi umiyekelana ubani ngoba no I'm dealing with someone engimbona ukuthi ayintshontsha njengamanje. Yeah, so bese
bake bantshontsha abanye angene.
Yeah, because ngeke untshontshe bese uthi wena untshontsha ngoba wakwabona noba nentshontsha. Awahlangana lawo ma case lawo ngicabanga nje bese bezama ngoba phela ipolitiki nje.
Well, let's look at umacingwane maybe by the weekend so sisiconclude ukuthi kuhamba kanjani.
In fact questioning esobona ngayo ukuthi unfortunately le podcast nje wasirecord manje uyakhuluma yena so asikayitholi questioning yakhe but maybe after questioning sizobe sibuka ukuthi kuhamba kanjani kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi by the time sirecorda the next episode sobe sesishaya lento indaba has been overtaken by events. Ukhumbula ukuthi next week kuya lento da kwacele ku-article comment so tension izobe ikubheka iceleke that's another disaster. That's another
disaster waiting to happen.
That's another general spear.
Yeah,
so unfortunately umqulu ngeke sikwazi ukubuya sizo jena ababukeli bethu ukuthi simrate kanjani in terms of taking my questions. I'm pretty sure by the time next week on Wednesday to record our next podcast. Ubhekicela uzobe sefelile so bese sesibuka yena ukuthi in fact uyobe uyena nje i-newsmaker. In fact, you'll be the newsmaker in the coming week. Yeah, mo.
So Pegicele, sikulindile futhi. Thank you Siyabonga kakhulu Mavuso, and also people can follow us on our social media pages and go to subscription lapha ku YouTube and subscribe. Ukwazi ukubona most of our videos that we post. Siyabonga kakhulu with your support, guys.
Thank you very much.